Hello guys, welcome.
Hi Sid.
Hi Moshe. Hi Rahul. Rahul, we can't see you. Yes.
Yes, Rahul's here. And we are facing a broadcast error on live. However, we've decided not to miss this opportunity and actually record it. And all you friends will be able to watch it within an hour or so. So,
Sorry, let me just add that yesterday we had a conversation which lasted about 1.5 hours, and I think we've been talking for the last 30 minutes, and it's a pleasure to talk to Rahul. It's such a pleasure. Previously it's only happened twice before, but why we wanted to not postpone. Of course, we know that the energy of live is different. Rahul knows it better than any of us, but we were in such a flow that we wanted to kind of carry this forward and not miss this opportunity or moment. Am I right?
absolutely.
Right. As Rahul says, behne do. So Moshe, over to you.
Absolutely. So, he hails from a family of scientists, a postgraduate from IIT Kanpur, a PhD in toxicology from Cornell University, New York, an ace musician, composer, singer, guitarist, and an environmentalist, and an activist. And he has given us memorable songs from very hard-hitting Bollywood films such as Masan, Black Friday, Gulal, etc. And we know him as a living encyclopedia of knowledge and a super energetic person with a lot of logic. And we all love his band, Indian Ocean. So friends, it's my honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Rahul Ram, also known as Logic Baba, to this 18th episode of Celto Live. Welcome, Rahul. Rahul, I would just like to toss one question to you before Siddharth comes in. Chemistry and music, and that too such a different kind of music. I mean, no one had heard such music before, at least I hadn't. How did that happen, Rahul? Over to you.
ऐसा कोई link नहीं है. Chemistry, I loved chemistry in school, and I think I had a great teacher who pushed me towards wanting to do chemistry. And I also used to play, and I learned how to play the guitar, I guess in 1979 or something. तो फिर मैं स्कूल में, हमारे स्कूल में ना बैंड होते थे, तो मैं स्कूल बैंड में बजाने लग गया, और बैंड वालों ने बोला बेस गिटार बजाओ, तो मैंने बोला बेस गिटार क्या होता है? So I had no idea, because I was 16, and this is 1979, and the bass itself had not been invented till about 10 years before that. So then I started playing the bass, and I bought my first bass guitar for 125 rupees. Indian made bass, और बहुत ही मुश्किल था यार, वो इंडियन स्ट्रिंग्स और इंडियन बेस बहुत ही अजीब सा था, मगर मैं लगा रहा, और फिर मैंने सीख लिया, और फिर मैंने केमिस्ट्री किया, और मैं गिटार भी बजाने लग गया, और मैं I used to be a rocker in my school and college days. So I used to play with a rock band. In fact, I played for 3 bands in college. The third band, which did a little bit of jazz as well, soft, George Benson type jazz. So
Okay.
I got introduced to that. I got introduced to Cole Porter,
Okay.
the amazing writer of a lot of Broadway musicals,
Yeah.
who wrote back when pop was jazz, So the melodies were intricate, the harmonic arrangements were amazing. We had not reduced ourselves to 3-chord songs as yet. And so I got to learn a lot of this stuff way back. I got introduced to Return to Forever. I got introduced to Chick Corea, Mahavishnu Project, John McLaughlin, Al Di Meola. ये सब school college में ही हो गया. So it was a nice, beautiful way to learn stuff. And फिर पढ़ाई करते करते मैं IIT चले गया. और IIT में ना सब लोग अमेरिका चले जाते हैं.
True, especially that time.
हाँ.
Yeah, that
तो
time.
मैं भी चले गया.
Okay.
And I had developed an interest in environmentalism while I was in school, especially because of pesticides. And I don't know if you guys don't know, but DDT was all over the place. And
Yeah.
people in Delhi had the highest amount of DDT in their bodies of anywhere in the world.
Okay.
So that got me interested. Then I had the good fortune to go to Sundarlal Bahuguna ji's ashram in Tehri Garhwal, जहाँ चिपको मूवमेंट ओरिजिनेट हुआ. तो वहां से गांव का बेस्ड एनवायरमेंटल स्ट्रगल के बारे में सीखने को मिला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. So it all kind of came together and life went on, and I went abroad, did my PhD, and I did it in a record 4 years, which is great. And at Cornell you get to listen to music from all over the world. No, because imagine at that time there was no internet. So we had no access really to music from anywhere else except for the 4 LPs every year that HMV would bring out. Kuch tha hi nahi.
Right, there was
nothing. So that's why, because Machine Head got released and Uriah, Best of Uriah got released, all those rockers from that time know those bands. But we don't know a lot of, like, for example, 10,000 Maniacs and bands like that never made it in India. But ABBA, yes, everybody knew ABBA, everybody knew Boni Ha Boni.
Bee Gees, as we were talking yesterday, your favorite.
Bee Gees, yes, Bee Gees. So
Yeah.
वहाँ जाके मैंने, I heard a lot of South American Latin music. I got introduced to West African music and all these things. So it was just a very, very interesting way to learn. I didn't play very much guitar while doing my PhD. I bought one. I bought an acoustic, and just क्योंकि घर पे होना चाहिए guitar type, गाना गाना चाहिए. And that's it. Then I came back to India and I joined the Narmada Andolan.
Okay.
And I met some friends from school and college days who said, listen, do you want to play with us? So I started playing, because if you're with the Narmada Andolan, there is no money.
Okay.
Kangal.
Okay.
हाँ, मेरा ये फायदा हुआ कि मैं किसी तरह $1,800 बचा के अमेरिका से लाया था वापस. और 1990 में liberalization हुआ. So the rupee went from 8 to 16 to 32 in 1 year.
Okay.
I quadrupled my savings.
Right. Right. Right.
And so that was good. And I also, something you guys don't know actually, is that I played in a Jagran band. Jagran जानते हो क्या होता है?
Yeah, absolutely. Of course.
Mata ki chauki.
Mata.
That's
Mata.
Yeah.
So I started playing with the Jagran band, where I used to get paid this handsome sum of 250 rupees a night.
Okay.
और वहां से मैंने एक और लाइफ स्किल डेवलप किया है कि जागरण में क्या होता है कि आपको कभी भी किसी टाइम पे कोई भी गाना किसी भी स्केल में बजाना आना चाहिए.
Okay.
Any song, any time, any scale. Imagine the skill it pushes down your head.
Yeah. Like,
you get the scale. Oh man, is this? Yeah. Okay. And they would say, Rahul bhai, चौथा काला. अब मेरा साला चौथा काला कौन सा है? मतलब C sharp से काला शुरू होता है कि F sharp से काला शुरू होता है?
Okay.
And I realized that चौथा काला is actually G sharp. मैंने कहा ठीक है, C sharp से शुरू होता है पहला काला. So I got to learn, I got to do this, and the other life skill I learned is I can convert any song
into any language.
into a Mata ka gana.
Oh, okay.
Because there are, there are some 10 keywords.
Right.
Ma, Murade, Puri, Halwa, Vaishno Devi, this kind of thing.
Okay.
तो हम ये करते थे यार.
Okay.
और मजा आता था. In the meanwhile, I'm going to interrupt you because there is a phone which belongs to somebody else जो पीछे बज रहा है. अगर आप सुन सकते हो,
Yes,
मैं उस
yes.
बंदे को फोन दे दूं.
Please, दे
हाँ?
दो.
Please.
Of course, please. Very interesting, yaar. That.
Seriously, man. I mean, taking any song and putting it into a Jagran, it's like, wow.
It's incredible. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, what he's trying to say is that you got to be flexible. You got to have that
Absolutely.
flexibility to kind of be able to, just at the drop of a hat.
A
improve.
true musician is not limited by
Sorry, I'm
lyrics.
back. So imagine उस टाइम पे बाजीगर हिट सॉन्ग था.
हाँ. बाजीगर ओ बाजीगर.
Correct. So it became Ambe Ma, oh Ambe Ma.
How nice.
मेरी अम्बे माँ, ओ तेरे दर्शन पे मैं जाऊं, पूरी हलवा मैं खिलाऊं, तू मुरादे पूरी कर दे अम्बे माँ.
Okay, because people want to hear the tune which is familiar to them, and you superimpose the words, these 10 words, onto that tune.
Yeah.
That's so. That means what you're saying is the Jagran band has to be somewhere like the Shadi Wala band, which has to quickly just suddenly take off from anywhere and play those.
नहीं, पर हम गाने बनाते नहीं थे. ये बनाने वाले और होते, नरेंद्र चंचल टाइप लोग ना.
Okay.
So these songs become popular. Every year there's a new set of songs. जो भी हिंदी गाने फिल्मी पॉपुलर हैं उस टाइम पे,
वो they become.
उसके जागरण के गाने बन जाते हैं. Like चोली के पीछे क्या है has become a जागरण song यार.
Really? I have not.
No.
सुनो.
No way.
माता तू आजा, माता तू आजा, तेरे दर्शन में जाऊं, पूरी हलवा खिलाऊं, मुरादे पूरी कर दे ओ माता, ओ माता, ओ माते. पिक 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 पिक.
And I haven't heard this one. That's incredible. That's incredible.
यार जागरण मतलब जागरण में, और जागरण में ना इट्स अ सोशल थिंग आल्सो, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, कि रात को 12 बजे लड़के लड़कियां घूम रहे हैं.
Okay.
और सामने क्या होता है, there's a division, so gents this side, ladies that side, जो भी है, कैसा भी है.
Yeah.
और they are facing the माता and we are on the side, the band is on the side. मगर पीछे ना, out of view of everybody, those boys and girls are slightly mingling at the back.
Okay. Because it's
outside the normal है ना.
Actually, plus in a repressed society like ours, it gives them that official this thing of being at a Jagran. I mean, probably you can say it was the first way of being at a night, probably the start of a nightclub under the garb of a religious this thing, right?
Night club मत बोलो, but
The nightclub ज़्यादा हो गया, but outing. If we put it at a 12 plus outing. जहाँ माँ बाप बोले कहाँ जा रहे बेटा, जागरण पे जा रहा हूँ. जागरण पे तो सब माफ है.
जागरण पे सब माफ है. वो बंगाली लोग, जैसे मैं बंगाली आधा, बंगाली लोग दुर्गा पूजा में यही करते थे, रात के 4 बजे तक यात्रा होता था.
अरे नवरात्रि in Gujarat, we all know what happens during that.
We all know.
Okay, so IIT US, and that's why I realize you're so famous at all the IIT functions, being an ex-IITian. At so many of the IIT these things you've been, I mean, I've heard you play there, and so IIT US and then Jagran.
हाँ.
Okay. So how?
मेरे को ना, और वो जागरण वाला बैंड ना शादियों में भी बजाता था. ये याद रखो कि जागरण वाला बैंड सिर्फ जागरण में नहीं बजाता है.
राइट, वो तो जहाँ काम मिलेगा बजाएगा.
गृह प्रवेश, वो अन्नप्राशन जो भी आप कहते हो ना, पहली बार जो बच्चे को खाना देते हैं.
हाँ.
लक्ष्मी नारायण की पूजा,
मुंडन एंड शादी. शादी वाज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि अलग अलग कम्युनिटीज के शादी पे बैंड बजता है.
राइट.
और जो मतलब जो दिखता है ना वो, क्योंकि अब मैं उससे पहले कभी शादी सर्विस सेक्टर की तरफ से नहीं गया था, समझ रहे हो ना. अब मैं सर्विस सेक्टर की तरफ से जा रहा हूँ शादी में कि आई एम equal to the waiter or the whatever at that shadi.
Godi wala,
I'm not a guest.
you're not
I'm
a
not a
guest.
guest. And the shadis to which they call bands are generally the richer shadis. ना पैसे ज्यादा होते हैं, so they can afford a band and so on. Generally upper income class shadis.
Right.
और वहां पे क्या होता था, ये होता था कि शादी में जो लोग नाचते हैं ना तुम्हारे सामने हाथ में गड्डी लेके,
तो
और नोट फेंकते हैं यूं.
they try to catch that the band wala or the people are meant to try.
Not the band wala. The organizer has two boys.
Acha, okay.
Whose aim it is to catch that money.
After doing this thing, catching it, taking it.
No, वो कुछ नहीं, वो they are just छटकाएं it in the air.
Right, even that, absolutely.
अब जो लड़के दारू distribute कर रहे हैं, waiters, छोटे boys, वो they used to dash into this dancing crowd, get stamped on, pick up money and come out. And if they were unlucky, the organizer would grab them by the neck, grab their money from them, give them दो थप्पड़ and send them away. And all this is while you are playing बाजी करो, ये सब बजा रहे हो तुम, लोग तुम्हारे सामने नाच रहे हैं, नोट फेंक रहे हैं, बच्चे भाग रहे हैं, and it was awesome. 101 रुपए इनाम, 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 मुंडे दा प्यो, प्यो, प्यो. So that guy had this reverb thing in his hand. Okay, तो एक हाथ में माइक था, मुंडे दा प्यो, 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 कुड़ी दा चा, 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 चा. So it was hilarious.
Yeah. I know what you mean, man. I know what those Delhi weddings, especially, yeah. In you're talking about the 80s or something, right?
It's 90s. It's
90s.
mid 90s.
Okay, yeah. The Nagin dance. The Nagin dance. Have you witnessed the Nagin dance?
Man, I have been to a shadi where, so they also used to be a dancing girl. Okay.
Okay.
So they would dance to some latest Saat Samandar Paar Mein Tere. और इतनी बदतमीजी कि वहां पे लड़के स्टेज पे उसको पैसा ऑफर कर रहे हैं कि मेरे साथ आजा.
Really?
Yes, शादी में.
Okay.
You know, so the thing is that there was always some senior lady at the back.
Madam.
The लड़की would bring somebody.
Yeah.
Who would make sure that she didn't get into trouble.
Right.
And then I have seen a shadi where the ladies of the shadi, they threw these dancing girls off and said, "Hey, तुम क्या जानते हो? हम नाचेंगे." So these Gupta ladies, okay, Gupta, it was Gupta की शादी. Champagne bottle हाथ में लेके stage पे नाचे हैं यार.
Man, incredible.
मजा आ गया मेरे को तो. मैंने say, you know, it overthrows a lot of the notions we have about how society is structured and control and expected behavior and whatnot. So because otherwise we see it from the outside in a sense and we get a different notion, but actually there is a lot more going on than you would if you were not part of the service sector and watching all this saying, wow.
You get to see it from a different angle.
Yeah.
And the I would say the underbelly of the whole thing.
Underbelly and lot of belly also on show.
Okay, but just one, like, I don't understand that after IIT and this thing, after US, I mean, how come you chose to do this and not like, get into because getting into a, high paying job or something like that?
Okay. I'll tell you, मेरे सामने क्या option थे. एक था कि मैं अमेरिका में नौकरी ढूंढूं.
ठीक है
ना, जो मान लो किसी इन्वायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट एजेंसी कंसल्टेशन फर्म में मैं घुस जाता और फिर 10 सालों बाद मेरे पास एक सबर्बिया में 4 bedroom double story house with 2.5 cars and 1.5 children and 2.5 dogs type एक होता मेरा लाइफ. पर मैं अमेरिका में जाके समझ गया था कि मैं परमानेंटली वहां सेकंड क्लास सिटीजन रहूंगा because I have not grown up with their cultural knowledge. Okay, so there will be a lot of mysteries open to me. There will be a lot of mysteries to me. I will not know. I will not understand football. I will not understand baseball. I will not understand half the cultural references. And I will always be the brown guy who's smart, but, he doesn't get it.
Yeah.
Okay? दूसरी बात कि यार आलू की टिक्की, हाँ, गोलगप्पा, छोले भटूरे, ये कहाँ है वहां? ठीक है. So what I tried doing is, because my wife at that time had gone away to do her research in the Narmada Valley in India.
Okay.
I thought कि मैं एक साल ना जमैका में जाके केमिस्ट्री पढ़ाऊं.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं बन गया था बॉब मार्ले का विशाल फैन.
Okay.
तो मुझे जमैका में रेगे बजाना था.
Oh, okay.
और मैंने कहा यार रेगे मैं बजाऊंगा पर मैं वहां रहूंगा कैसे? तो I applied to a lot of high schools to teach chemistry.
अच्छा, to teach chemistry, huh?
हाँ, because I could teach chemistry.
Okay.
मास्टर्स कर लिया यार
Yes,
केमिस्ट्री में, तो इतना तो होगा.
ठीक
हाई
है.
स्कूल तक तो पढ़ा ही सकता हूँ.
ठीक है.
तो मैं, मगर एवरीबडी देयर वाज सस्पिशियस कि ये कॉर्नेल से पीएचडी हाई स्कूल में केमिस्ट्री सिखाएगा, सीआईए का होगा.
Okay, very interesting, right? Because that was the time of the Cold War.
That was the time of the Cold War. That was the time where, you know, again they had helped to overthrow Antigua. Mein they had, the Americans had overthrown democratically elected leadership. So I couldn't do it. I
Okay.
applied to a lot of Greenpeace and so on and so forth, and they didn't even reply to me. So then at that time I realized कि यहाँ पे भी ना पौवा चाहिए होता है. कि एक रैंडम पीएचडी वाला आपको अप्लाई कर रहा है ये कह के कि मैं इंटर्न बनूंगा, उन्हें लगता है कि ये गलत है, कि ये इंटर्न क्यों बनना चाहता है, इसकी तो I didn't know the structure, I didn't know what to do. Anyway, तो ये सब नहीं हुआ, मैं वापस आ गया.
So you didn't go to Jamaica then? You didn't go then?
Yeah, I didn't go anywhere. So I came back to India as an unemployed postgraduate.
ठीक है.
And अब मैं क्या करूं? तो friend of mine said, देखो नर्मदा आंदोलन में एक चाहिए, एक हमारे पास एक ना एक पोस्ट है, which is campaigns coordinator, that you will coordinate and do this and do that. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है मैं ये करता हूँ. करके मैं घुस गया यार नर्मदा आंदोलन, और इतना सीखा है, इतना, I mean, it's one of the best things I ever did in my life. Really.
Share some of the things that you say when you say सीखा, like what, I mean.
यार बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला ना. मैं पहली बार जिंदगी में एक पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट में गया हूँ. मैं शहरी लड़का, ठीक है, 2 हफ्ते मैंने चिपको के साथ बिताए थे, पर गांव में मैं पहली बार जा रहा हूँ. आदिवासी इलाके में पहली बार जा रहा हूँ. मैं गांव की रियलिटी देख रहा हूँ. मैं आदिवासी लोगों की रियलिटी देख रहा हूँ. वहां पे मेरे को समझ आ गया कि पैसे और खुशी के बीच में कनेक्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि ये गरीब से गरीब लोग. ओके, इन गांव में there was no road, there was no school, there was no hospital, there was no electricity, there was no nothing.
But they were happy.
अरे पूरी रात नाचते थे यार दारू पी के.
वो भी लोकली बना के, I guess.
खुद ही बना के.
हाँ, महुआ. और मैंने यार, तू सोच ना, ये सोच कि जैसा मौसम आज पुणे में है ना, वैसा मौसम है मध्य प्रदेश में. एक क्लाउडी है, धीरे धीरे पानी टप टप कर रहा है, और यहाँ पे तुम्हारे सामने एक स्ट्रीम में फ्रेश महुआ डिस्टिल होके एक बोतल में टप टप करके गिर रहा है. जो बोतल स्ट्रीम में रखा है कूल करने के लिए.
I must warn you, Moshe might just head out immediately after this. Be careful. You will entice him.
तो यार ये मजा कहाँ मिलेगा? और ये अनएंटिसिपेटेड मजा था. और फिर मैं जेल चले गया.
अच्छा, part of the movement only, हाँ?
हाँ, वही जो होता है नॉर्मल. तो जेल, सिर्फ जेल नहीं गया, 307 अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर के उसमें जेल गया हूँ मैं.
ओह,
हाँ.
अच्छा, ओके.
अब जेल का एक और पूरा एक्सपीरियंस. उससे पहले 2 दिन में लॉकअप पे था. और एक और गाना मैं तुमको बताता हूँ कि क्या हुआ कि मैं जब, so there was a firing incident in a village during this, and we all rushed to that village because those cops went and destroyed everything in the town.
Okay.
तो क्योंकि वहां पे डेली चक्की पे पीसते हैं grains, so they smashed all the chakkis. They took all the seed corn for next year and fed it to the goats. They broke the haystacks so that the cows could eat it. So basically they tried to destroy their lives because they dared to oppose them. तो हम लोग उस गांव में पहुंचे, और उस गांव में मैंने एक गाना सुना. And this song is also interesting because my wife, who at that time, who was doing research on the area, had found out that there were a lot of Adivasis who had fought the British around the same time as the 1857 movement. Okay. So she got their stories and she came back and told this man, Shankar Bhai Tadavla, who was a poet. Shankar Bhai ने उस knowledge को लेके गाना बनाया. तो वो गाना मैंने सीखा. And the first line goes, चीतू तारो बंगलो सिरकार हाप के ले दोली एकाय बाली दो. कि चीतू तेरे बंगले को सरकार ने छीन के ले लिया, खड़े खड़े क्या देख रहा. ठीक है. So Chitu Bhil fought the Brits, and when they finally killed him, they converted his small bangla into a police thana. ठीक है. अब ये गाना सीखा मैं और उसके 2 दिन बाद मैं चीतू के बंगले के लॉकअप में बंद था.
अच्छा, okay.
Can you imagine?
My God.
Wow.
तो incredible ना?
Yeah.
और मैं उस लॉकअप में बैठे बैठे
He sang the song.
गाना गाया.
गाना गाया.
तो एक मिनट. There is a man who wants a cigarette.
Yeah.
अच्छा, मैं सिगरेट पीने से आप लोग को आपत्ति होगी?
I absolutely not. As I don't think even I mean, as long as Facebook does not have any such thing, I don't think.
नहीं, फेसबुक के पास नहीं है. फेसबुक में तो कुछ भी दिखाते हैं.
ठीक.
It's injurious to health. Disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
ये डाल देते हैं कि cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Young people, please don't try this. And this old man is unfortunately addicted and is trying to learn how to quit and has tried and failed. जैसे मार्क ट्वेन ने बोला था ना, giving up smoking is so easy, I have done it dozens of times. वैसा ही है. तो
I think Moshe is in the same.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, sorry, go ahead. I'm saying Moshe is in the same boat.
But Moshe तो सेल्टो वाला है ना यार, Moshe नहीं कर सकता, मैं कर सकता हूँ.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हम सेल्टो में सब कुछ करते हैं. I love that water bottle.
Yeah.
Water bottle.
Yeah, you know, I use these bottles because it's way better than plastic bottles.
Smartest thing to do. I use the old wine bottles in my house.
Yeah. Because, you know, those plastic वाले बोतल जो भी हैं, वो I can't trust.
Yeah.
Because there is a leakage of PET, they are PET bottles, na? So
Absolutely.
that ethylene terephthalate, there is, sorry, again my chemistry, polyethylene terephthalate, PET.
Yeah, PET.
So the ends of those polymer chains over time do start leaking certain bits of, ठीक है? और imagine ये आदमी कह रहा है जो साला सिगरेट पी रहा है, वो तो हद हो गई.
Oh, ठीक है. That you're knowingly doing, na? That you're knowingly.
ज्ञान पापी जिसे कहते हैं.
That is that. By when we drink or whatever, we talk about healthy eating, this, that is good for you, bad for you, and then we all have our.
So
that at least we're knowingly doing.
There's a friend of mine who used to say it very charmingly. He said, "We all have our contradictions." ठीक है, तो मैं चीतू के बंगले में वो गाना गा रहा हूँ.
Right.
मैं और एक अश्विनी करके दोस्त था मेरा, जो मेरे साथ ही पकड़ा गया था. तो हम दोनों वहां थे. और उसका एक छोटी सी और अंश बता दूं आपको कि सवेरे जब आपको हगना पड़ता था, these bastards would handcuff us to each other, take us out of the thana, have us fill cans with water and make us crap on the side of the road with a man with a gun pointing at us.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
No, difficult to imagine because I
So,
guess.
मेरे एक दोस्त ने कहा कि यार निकलती कैसे है? तो मैंने कहा यार जब तेरे को एक आदमी राइफल पॉइंट कर रहा है ना, अपने आप निकल जाती.
But this was during the lockup, or when you from the lockup you went into jail for
नहीं, this is in the lockup, क्योंकि जेल में तो फैसिलिटी है.
अच्छा, lockup में नहीं है, right?
लॉकअप में है.
अच्छा है.
थानेदार कहाँ जाएगा?
अच्छा.
वो तो जाएगा ना कहीं पे.
Right. Not for the okay.
This is to publicly shame you.
Right. Basically break you.
Yeah. This is to break your spirit.
Confess, yeah.
Break your spirit, yeah.
Break your spirit. They're not accusing you. They don't want you to confess to anything. They just want to make sure that तू तेरे को ऐसे treat करेंगे कि तू भाग जाएगा यहाँ से वापस नहीं आएगा.
I just recently I just saw a movie. I think it's called Broken Only. It's on Netflix. It's about a prisoner of war from US, who was a prisoner of war in Japan, and
Okay.
how he's a runner, and how they try to, I forget the name, I think it's broken, but how they try to break his spirit. It's a true story. I love watching these true stories, you know. But his
Hmm.
he would have, he reached the Olympics, I think, but then he went into the war and stuff, and he was captured. So it's all about how they want to break that man's spirit, you know. But how some cases the human spirit just refuses to be broken.
हाँ, और एक्चुअली इतना स्टूपिड है, बहुत कुछ किया हमको. एनीवे, तो हमने छोड़ो, ये तो बहुत लंबी कहानियां चल सकती हैं. अभी म्यूजिक पे तो हमने वो गाना गाया,
ठीक है,
और वो गाना है लोकल लैंग्वेज में, और थानेदार वाला तो लोकल लैंग्वेज जानता नहीं है. वो इतना खुश हो गया कि उसके लॉकअप में लोग गाना गा रहे हैं कि वो ना अपने घर से. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई टेल यू, व्हाट दिस इज व्हाई द इंडियन स्टेट इज सच अ वंडरस एंड वियर्ड प्लेस. गरम गरम बाजरे की रोटी,
वाओ,
दाल,
ओके,
गुड़, भिंडी की सब्जी. मतलब we were given a fantastic meal in the lockup because the थानेदार loved the fact that मेरे lockup में ना रात को म्यूजिक हो रहा है.
मारे हैं लोग.
तो तुम सोचो ना, वही बंदा जो तुमको दिन में गन पॉइंट पे हगवाएगा, वो आपको रात को सुंदर सुंदर खाना दे रहा है खाने के लिए. तो वो भी, you know, he becomes a human being instantly, and you realize that he is doing this because he didn't know us. There is no personal animosity. Okay, we have been brought to his lockup. That's all. He is told treat them badly, so he treats us badly. But then he hears the music and his better human self takes over and says, "नहीं यार, खाना खिला देता हूँ इनको अच्छा."
The humanity part takes over.
हाँ यार, तो ये मतलब पता है, this is what makes life so interesting.
Very true.
कि हर जिसको हम दूर से देख के कहते हैं कि ये खराब है, उसमें अच्छे बिट्स भी हैं, और जिसको हम देखते हैं और कहते हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं, उसमें खराब बिट्स भी हैं, और हम सब में हैं.
Yeah, सब में yin yang. It's the earth is made of two opposing forces.
Yes.
I mean, you have night and day.
True.
Yin and yang.
Had I touched upon something?
नहीं, yin and yang, बिल्कुल. मतलब ये तो in the sense that हम सब में, in fact, there is a very interesting thing in Hindu philosophy, which is the god / goddess called Ardhanareshwari.
Okay.
So there is actually a half male, half female statue.
Okay.
And it is to show that within each one of us, there is a male and a female.
We all have divine male, divine female energy, feminine energy. Absolutely.
Yeah, in fact, जो बंदा संजीव शर्मा, हमारे बड़े सारे इंडियन ओशन के गाने लिखता है, संजीव शर्मा, संजू कहते हैं उसको. संजू कहता है कि जब राहुल और मैं मिलते हैं ना, हमारी अंदर की औरतें मिलती हैं.
That's the female energy.
हाँ, so I think it's amazing that this notion exists, and actually when you go deep inside, you do see it in everybody.
True.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. With my daughters, it's a, you know, it's not a, you know, we have, of course, we have the roles, the father, mother, all that. But yeah, with my daughters, it's like a complete feminine energy, you know.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
that's beautiful, and that probably makes you a better person overall.
Overall. And a lot of times we get stuck in these roles because we take the role. You know, I think it's important to understand it's just a role.
Yeah.
Which we are playing. We're playing so many roles in our daily life, but we take it too seriously, and that is when the problems, I think, starts happening of depression and other things. You know, you take that.
We should never take ourselves seriously.
Absolutely, I agree.
फिर ना बंदा थोड़ा, क्या कहूँ मैं, टाइट एस्ट बन जाता है. And so, you know, I mean, like people will come up to me, "Sir, you are the best bass guitarist I have heard." मैंने कहा, मैं तेरे को 10 के लिस्ट देता हूँ, उनको सुन ले. हैं? ये मेरे से टेक्निकली ज्यादा अच्छा है, वो मेरे से म्यूजिकली ज्यादा अच्छा है, वो मेरे से मेलोडिकली ज्यादा अच्छा है, और मैं हूँ वो है. So best, I don't believe in this best business. हाँ? क्योंकि बेस्ट किसने देखा है? पूरी दुनिया को थोड़ा ना चखा हमने कि बेस्ट छोले भटूरे आर फाउंड हियर. अरे तुम्हें कैसे मालूम? कि this is the best music. अरे म्यूजिक तो इंडिविजुअल के टेस्ट पे है यार, तो इसलिए मैं ये बेस्ट बूस्ट में बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं करता.
So you were in MP. So you came back to MP. You were in part of the part of the movement, the Andolan.
हाँ.
That's where the activism thing started, or like that was.
सिर्फ ये चिपको के पास जाके हमने जो सीखा उससे एक गांव की रियलिटी और different viewpoints and how things are presented in certain ways, but the reality may be different, and the very often the perceived clash between development and environment. These kind of things. Then obviously in the US also I read a lot, and I did some social science courses as well, and so it's all in the making. Yeah, बनता है धीरे धीरे, वो ओवरनाइट पकता नहीं है बंदा. गाजर के हलवे की तरह हम लोग धीरे धीरे बनते हैं.
So you said you had a realization early that there's no direct link between money and happiness, and that happened from there.
Yeah. Then I learned, like I told you, थानेदार को देख के कि अच्छा भी है बंदा, बुरा भी है बंदा. और फिर हम जेल में फिर हमको जेल भेज दिया. और जेल में हम लोग हर रोज, क्योंकि आदिवासी जेल है, हम लोग गाना गाते थे और नाचते थे.
How long were you in that?
No, 8 days. Only 8 days in jail. 2 दिन लॉकअप में, 8 दिन जेल में. फिर मेरे को आके बेल मिल गया.
What is Adivasi jail? मतलब what is that like?
मतलब आदिवासी इलाके का जेल है ना. झाबुआ जिला में मैं था. झाबुआ जिला is 95% भील आदिवासी.
Okay.
तो अंदर सारे ही आदिवासी थे और हम लोग थे थोड़े जो बाहर के जो आए हुए थे एक्टिविस्ट लोग.
So how was that? That must have been some crazy experience after IIT Cornell to be in a jail full of Adivasis. It must have been like literally crazy.
PhD amongst Adivasis.
I mean, how, and being in that must have been like, I can't even.
It was brilliant. अगर मैं 7 साल अंदर रहता शायद I would not be saying it was brilliant.
हाँ.
मतलब अगर मेरे को convict करके अंदर डाल देते.
Then yeah, but the 8 days must have been like an experience.
Yeah, it's an experience which you cannot buy.
Yeah, you cannot buy.
And it stands you in good stead throughout your years. The attempts to break your spirit stand you in. For example, they said कि पहले दिन कि इनसे थाली धुलवाओ. तो हमने उसको कम्युनिटी एक्टिविटी कर दिया. हम गाना गा रहे हैं, थाली धो रहे हैं. ये तो जेल वाले सुलग गए. यार ये तो साला मजा कर रहे हैं उल्लू के पट्टे. हम तो इन पे we wanted to make them feel bad. हमें क्या बैड है, थाली धो रहे हैं यार, थाली धोने में क्या है. और वहां रेत से ही थाली धोते हैं, साबुन वाबुन तो देते नहीं है. तो रेत है, रेत से आपने हटाया और पानी डाला और धो दिया.
ठीक है.
Dog interruption.
Lovely.
It sounds sweet.
It's lovely.
एंटी कूपे, चलो मम्मी के साथ जाओ. जाओ कूपी जाओ सेंटर जाओ. Bye, see you. Bye, Kupek. See you. Bye. So my wife runs a center for sterilization of street dogs.
Oh, okay.
That's really noble. Yeah.
Okay.
And so she's taking 2 of ours to the center. 3 maybe, I think. So Coupe is gone.
You've totally got 9 in your house, right?
यार एक और बुढ़िया अभी आई हुई है रास्ते की, हमारी ही एरिया की. वो 14-13 साल की है.
तो
उसको मैगट्स हो गए थे, तो शी इज कम हियर फॉर R&R. So we'll set her right and put her back on the street.
You have 10 dogs in the house, huh?
हाँ, currently. Well, currently -3 अभी चले गए.
But that's incredible, yeah. I mean, I don't like. Isn't it a task to kind of have them all sort of coexist? And isn't that nahi?
यार तू सोच ले, झुग्गी में 5 बच्चे.
Okay.
है ना?
An answer, Siddharth.
Yeah. And Rahul, all of his answers are like,
I'm sure the viewers will understand why we didn't postpone this session.
Yeah, we couldn't postpone it because after our conversation yesterday and the conversation we were having, we were so much, And what all topics we've discussed on, and from
Seriously.
कहीं से भी कहीं.
kahin se bhi kahin, absolutely.
अच्छा
As
मेरे को एक और क्योंकि मेरे इसमें अभी क्या है कि बैटरी लो है, तो ये
अच्छा।
जूम काफी बैटरी खाता है, तो मैं अभी अपने कॉम्प से ना इस पे वो लिंक करवा देता हूँ ताकि बंद ना हो.
ठीक है,
एक मिनट.
sure. I would definitely want him to. I would love to hear again the thing about him singing in Russian.
Russian, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I think Rahul has never had a language barrier, or I mean, singing Kandisa, for example, which is a Syrian song, or Russian.
Or even the fact that yes, when your father heard it, what you said.
Yeah, it felt like it's Israeli, it's Hebrew, but I mean, the language barrier has not come in Rahul's music.
So I mean, I'm still so after I mean how you it never came into your mind that maybe after all the education you want to get into any kind of corporate thing or something like that. That was never a even option for you.
यार
Even after coming back to India.
कॉर्पोरेट दुनिया मेरे को कभी भी भाई नहीं. मेरे दो गोल थे कि मैं 9 to 5 नहीं करूंगा और मैं सूट नहीं पहनूंगा.
Mushit, I think it's very similar. I see similarities between what we're going to have this conversation again after when you come to Delhi, because you have a very similar thought process like Rahul's.
I'm just mesmerized. I'm enjoying this because everything that I've been saying, I've been not thinking, I'm hearing it now.
So you didn't want to wear a suit and didn't want to 9 to 5.
हाँ, तो कॉर्पोरेट, और फिर मैं देखता था कि मेरे कॉर्पोरेट दोस्त जो हैं पैसा बहुत कमा रहे हैं, पर ऐसे घिस के बेचारे काम कर रहे हैं ना. सवेरे 7 बजे निकल तैयार होके, वही कार्ड टाइम ये वो, और रात का कोई अंत नहीं है. उनको ओटी भी नहीं मिलता, वो रात को 11 बजे घर आते हैं. ठीक है, पैसे बहुत कमाते हैं. गर्ल्स पोडियम प्लीज डार्लिंग. हेलो, इनको मैं कैसे समझाऊं?
नहीं, it's okay. Let them.
ठीक है, तो I saw how hard they worked, and they were working for somebody else. And I don't mind hard work.
Because you during your Indian Ocean years, you've done the amount of traveling.
Hard work is not an issue, but it's the कोई ऊपर से मेरे को बताएगा कि तेरे को क्या करना है.
You wanted to be
टारगेट देगा और मेरे को कुछ ये देगा और वो देगा. और मतलब अभी जैसे लॉकडाउन में आप लोग इतने सारे मेरे दोस्त कह रहे हैं कि we are actually working longer hours with a 30% pay cut. Longer hours with a 30% pay cut. So the corporate is actually using the fact that you are available 24/7 to them.
Yeah, and especially the fact that work from home. So there are no timings to it. That's what
Correct.
A lot of people are saying.
And your family life be damned. And unlike me, who can have the dogs barking and who can be in a t-shirt, those poor guys have to wear this suit boot and look this and not have people come in. And so बाकी family कह रही है, यार हमारी जिंदगी भी झंड कर दी तुमने. हम ना टीवी देख सकते हैं, ना घूम सकते हैं, ना एक कमरा तुमने खा लिया है घर का.
बिल्कुल, जूम कॉल 10 बजे रात को, 11 बजे रात को.
मतलब ये तो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन की हद हो गई ना यार. At the same time, they are so happy that they have jobs.
Yeah.
Because बाकी तो फायर हो गए.
Right. So the same amount of work need to be, more work is being done by the lesser amount of people.
True.
So yesterday, talking about lockdown, you were telling us about the concerts which you're doing. So tell us about that, na?
The virtual ones.
Virtual concerts and.
Yeah. So what has happened is, and this is what should interest you guys, because देखो musicians का तो रुक गया, but sound engineers का भी रुक गया. पूरी इंडस्ट्री का रुक गया ना. लाइट वाले, साउंड वाले, जो मेरे दोस्त हैं जो साउंड वेंडर्स हैं, वो कह रहे भाई देख, आपके कॉन्सर्ट में तो हमको इतने पैसे मिलते थे, पर हमारा पैसा बनता था शादियों में. अब शादियां ही नहीं हो रही, या तो छोटा सा एक 50 लोगों का शादी हो रहा है, तो हमारे तो पूरा बिजनेस ठप हो गया.
Absolutely.
तो हमको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So these people I know like Vikram Mishra and Manu, they put together spaces which have a professional sound setup. So no amps, but everything in here.
In here, yeah.
Because amps ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, जगह इतनी नहीं होती ना.
Yeah.
And then they set up a basic kind of lighting, which is not bad. And in these guys' case, they set up an LED wall क्योंकि उनको अलग-अलग type of shows मिलते हैं, कुछ में LED wall पे they want to project stuff and so on. And they invested in getting a high-speed broadband connection with multiple routers, so that एक गया तो दूसरे पे आ जाएगा. So there's something which selects the highest speed of delivery and takes that route and sends it out. So there's uninterrupted signal going out. अब जैसे आज हो रहा है कि हमारा तो सिग्नल uninterrupted out है, but बेचारा Facebook नहीं कर पा रहा. So then the problem is at the client's end, not at your end.
They're basically streaming. I know they're streaming the feed onto. So
and then streaming a good solid sound.
And
it's not like Zoom पे. अभी मैं Zoom पे अगर गिटार बजाने लग जाऊँ ना, तो वो
actually start compressing it. It's not designed for audio.
It's designed to pick vocal frequencies.
Yeah, only vocal frequencies. Absolutely.
So the minute you start playing a guitar behind it, it starts distorting both.
So Rahul, are there a lot of the virtual concerts happening?
Okay, I've done 4 in 2 months.
Okay.
Which is better than 0 since 7th March when I did my last concert.
Absolutely.
So Indian Ocean tried to do the Facebook Live जो होता था ना. अब Facebook Live में क्या है कि अमित किरम अपने घर पे, मैं अपने घर पे, जोशी जी अपने घर पे. तो उसमें क्या होता है that every time you switch, then everybody has to log out and log in again. That's a huge pain.
Yeah.
And Zoom पे तो as you know होता ही नहीं है.
नहीं.
And I've done something with some Canadian musicians where they were trying to collect music money for musicians in Canada, and they used a separate thing where there's a waiting room and then you can come in and do your stuff. I've forgotten the name. So there are any number of these technologies coming out, and the routing wala hardware has now become software. So people all over the world are working towards solutions to this. ठीक है? That रहा number 1. Number 2, मेरे को ये लगता है कि ये जो हम कर रहे हैं virtual concert, ये COVID के बाद भी रहेगा.
Okay.
It will become a different way for musicians and artists in general to get in touch with their. Imagine मैं theater करता हूँ, ठीक है? अब मेरा theater कहाँ तक जाएगा? कितनी ऑडियंस आएगी? तो अगर मैं एक प्ले स्टेज कर सकता हूं जिसमें people can come in and watch virtually. I'm performing it on stage. I have enough camera angles, and so it becomes like it's a horrible analogy, but वो शादी का वीडियो नहीं बनता. So it becomes that. So I can reach audiences all over the world.
Like yesterday, you were saying cricket broadcast.
Yeah. वही क्रिकेट वाला एनालॉजी कि पहले स्टेडियम में देखते थे, अब घर पे बैठ के देखते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली द घर पे बैठ के क्रिकेट इज बेटर बिकॉज बॉल यूं टर्न हुई, हल्का स्विंग हुआ, और उसने उसको क्या कहा और उसने उसको क्या कहा. स्टेडियम में बैठ के तुम बिहाइंड द बॉलर्स आर्म सीट मिलती नहीं,
राइट
हैं, तो तुम साइड से बैठते हो, तो साइड ऑन एक्शन तुम्हें क्या टर्न, क्या स्पिन, क्या स्विंग, क्या दिखेगा, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. मगर 70,000 लोग एक साथ बोलेंगे, उसका भी तो मजा है.
हाँ.
जैसे हमारे लाइव कॉन्सर्ट में वो जो एनर्जी यू गेट, दैट फीडबैक फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, दैट इज मिसिंग.
Correct.
So, but it's a different experience because now you can actually see the guitar player, what he is doing when he's taking his solo, right? You can see the sweat. You can see, you can feel it possibly in a different way. Yeah, so different but equally valid experiences is what I think this has taught us. It's not as if this didn't happen earlier, but they were basically वही जो live concert देख रहे हैं वहाँ से एक stream आता था.
It was media it was primarily only the media broadcasting.
हाँ, ZTV या कोई और कोई somebody is broadcasting, कोई लोग देख रहे हैं, और वो फिर रिपीट नहीं होता है.
No, this point of yours, like tomorrow, if somebody wants to hear a question and they are sitting in some remote location, I mean, honestly speaking, for them to kind of do that whole trek is not necessarily very easy, and in terms of cost and all. And now at a fraction of that, they can still get to experience. So yes, like you said, you don't have that live energy which we all loved and this thing, but at least they, like you said, they're able to see and hear you in a different way. So the sense you'll be feeling it in a different with
Yeah,
different.
yeah. So, you know, like Indian Ocean did HCL is doing this series of concerts called Soundscape. तो 18 को हमारा Soundscape का concert था. And we pretended as if there's an audience.
Okay.
So we talked amongst ourselves and we said, boss, तो क्या हो गया? Live तो है ना? हम तो live हैं. हम recorded नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम गलतियां ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Right.
तो आपको अगर बीच में गाने में लगता है कि भाई थोड़ा ये बढ़ा दे, थोड़ा ये घटा दे, तो लाइव में भी होता है.
Yeah, and having said that, the fact that we have been doing all these sessions live, there is that adrenaline flow when you know it's going out live.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, you know that, you know, just the back of your mind that somebody is watching. That itself kind of, because we try to do it when we did our tech talks. One, we tried to do it in such a way where we record it, edit it, but that energy doesn't come when you know that you're talking and it's going out live, and you know you can't make any change on it. It gives you a certain,
it's a different feeling.
Different
Yeah,
feeling.
Completely.
And hence we did all our.
हुआ so हुआ.
Yes.
Huh.
So you imagine that there is it was going out live, just that the audience wasn't there in front of you. It was there virtually.
Though I will tell you कि I was asking Varun Grover, ऐसी तैसी democracy की करे. तो कहते सर, comic timing depends a lot on audience response. तो I said यार मैं भी जब गाना गाता हूँ, audience response फर्क पड़ता है ना. So his response was beautiful. He said देखो सर, आप अकेले कमरे में बैठ के गाना गा सकते हो, मैं अकेले कमरे में बैठ के जोक बोलूंगा.
Yeah.
So I said, boss, you know, I mean, I'm sorry, but we'll have to deal with it. And we tried to do one. We did one where we were, Sanjay, Varun and I were in 3 different places and we were doing it for somebody. But you know, उसमें क्या होता है कि connectivity हर की अलग होती है. And some you are like, how can ये हो जाता है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But Rahul, these arenas where this LED wall is, people are like buying tickets and standing at social distance or sitting at social distance and enjoying the show. I mean, how does it happen?
मैंने नहीं किया.
Okay.
I haven't done it. So, you know, I have done shows where it's streamed and people are sitting at home or
On their
corporate show.
Corporate show. So they are streaming it out to their people, and they could be on their computers or
on their own screen. Okay.
But I have seen photographs of these festivals in the UK, you know, where they have these six separated tables and you can book the whole thing.
They have a small raised. I think it was a raised platform with this thing, and you got service there, and it's distant, and there is. I think that was not being streamed. That was a live thing only. Just that people had to. That was live. Yeah.
That was live. Well, like Shantanu Hudlikar was saying कि यार जैसे drive-in theaters होते थे.
Yeah. So similarly.
वैसे drive-in projection on a big screen show का भी हो सकता है.
I think there was a Bangalore में हुआ भी था अभी recently, and there was a drive-in.
Yes, there was a
drive-in concert or something like that.
Okay. And I think, where the band played live or streamed?
I think the band played live.
Oh, nice. Yeah. But it can also stream. You know, I mean, you can stream to a big LED screen.
What Rahul is saying, Moshe, that in future, when things get better, then tomorrow, if this can be streamed from a place like they have performed so far in Chhatarpur, and or wherever a studio comes up which can broadcast, and then at the other end, there can be a large screen with a big music system, and it can be a concert for them where they are not physically present.
Yeah.
but everything else is happening. It's just that it's being screened.
Simultaneously in Bangalore and in Delhi, you can have the
5
same.
places, 10 places, yeah. It
Yeah.
could be as many places and as far away as possible because it's all through the net, na?
You can imagine ना कोई हरिद्वार में मेरा म्यूजिक सुनना चाहता है, कभी देख नहीं पाया, कोई कुल्लू में नहीं देख पाया, वो आके देख लेगा या देख लेगी, है ना? तो they will get a chance to see a reasonable facsimile. Now the question is, how is that different from watching a bunch of your YouTube videos? ये भी है question, है ना?
Right.
अब क्या है कि लाइव शो में जो बातें होती हैं वो सब नहीं आता है उस YouTube में. एक जो सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं ना कि इस गाने से इस गाने से उस गाने से उस गाने से एक
फ्लो
जो हम बनाते हैं, जो वी काइंड ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्ट अ शो, वो नहीं आएगा आपको. आप देख लो मेरे भरे 10 YouTube वीडियोस, हर YouTube वीडियो में एक तो हमारे कपड़े अलग होंगे, दूसरा साउंड क्वालिटी अलग होगा,
Correct.
तीसरा आपको एक वीडियो से दूसरे वीडियो पे जाना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, and you especially have a lot of content besides just the music in between. I have attended so many of your concerts. There's a lot of stuff which you say, you bring about, you talk about something, some humor.
Banter between the band members, you know, वो सब आप मिस कर जाओगे इसमें. तो मुझे लगता है ये वर्चुअल चलेगा. अब who knows, I may be completely wrong and maybe 1 year down the road everyone will say, oh no, we don't want that anymore, we want to see you live. But I'm sure somebody in Warangal,
There'll be takers. Yeah.
I think it's something which will maybe, we don't know what percentage, but definitely as we get all these things in order and these back-end things better on. I mean, simple thing like now Zoom. Earlier we would pick up and say, okay, yaar, I'm coming to see you, or coming there, coming here. Now we, to some extent, we'll say, yaar, chal Zoom पे कर लेते हैं यार. You know.
हाँ, तुम सोचो ना ये घटिया कॉर्पोरेट मीटिंग्स जो होती हैं दिन में 10 बेबात की, वो अब Zoom पे हो सकती हैं. The carbon footprint may come down. You don't have to have people traveling from here to there. I think, like they're saying, the whole workplace, you know, people may want to or need to come into office only once or twice.
Yeah.
Imagine how much time everybody will save in their life.
Yeah. Less cars on the road. I mean,
less cars on the road, less carbon footprint, less stress, less everything. So, but at the same time, the camaraderie of the office, वो भी चाहिए. हम लोग आइलैंड तो नहीं रह सकते ना यार.
No.
कि जिस बंदे के साथ मैं ऑफिस में इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ, उसके साथ एक्चुअली मैंने ऑफ आवर्स में जो मस्ती की है, उससे काम ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है. होता है ना?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then you get a sense. Of course, फिर ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, hopefully. मगर ये दोस्तियां भी बनानी जरूरी है. I cannot imagine, you know, making music with 4 musicians whom I've never met in my life and only interacted on Zoom, and then, you know, we send tracks to each other and we play. That is there and that is happening, but that cannot replace the physical interaction in our presence. How we, you know, interact with each other, how
the energy transmission is the energy transmission between humans, the aura.
The aura of the flesh and blood. Yeah.
That is something which the sense which you know, it's like I'm
sorry मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ कि मेरा एक नेबर का बच्चा है जो कि मेडिकल कर रहा बेचारा, फर्स्ट ईयर हो गया, सेकंड ईयर में कोविड हो गया. कहता है, you know, they're even doing practicals online.
How?
Without the actual incision and feel, तुम क्या सीखोगे?
Practical, yeah, absolutely. How can they do? Well, how can you do a practical online? I don't understand that.
Well, they, you know, the teacher will do the incision and show.
But no, it's doing classes online is very difficult. My daughters are doing it. It's torture, you know, to kind of try and figure out, like you said, through the beach, the garbled listing, the signal breaking. I mean, it's for students that it was not about only the teaching part. It was about the experience, going to school, interacting, all those things. That part.
With your friends, your kids, you know, I mean.
So true.
So when actually did Indian Ocean happen?
Okay, Indian Ocean is pre me. Indian Ocean existed before I joined.
Okay.
It began with Shushmit and Oshim. कोई किसी के दोस्त में पार्टी में सुष्मित अपना गिटार स्टाइल बहुत ही यूनिक गिटार स्टाइल अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे सुष्मित सेन का, तो वो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा था और ओशिम उसके साथ फिर तबला वबला बजाने लग गया. सो दे डिसाइडेड कि चलो हम लोग एज ए डुओ हम परफॉर्म करते हैं, और उन्होंने 2-3 शो ऐसे किए. फिर उनको लगा कि साउंड एक्सपैंड किया जाए, क्योंकि पहले ना इट वाज इन दिस ओशिम यूज्ड टू सिट विद हिज तबलास एंड यहाँ पे एक सिंबल, यहाँ पे दूसरा सिंबल, वहां पे एक छोटा सा टॉम. सो ही हैड अ परकशन सेटअप, not just a tabla player. So then of course they expanded the band, and the band had a bass player and a drummer, and they recorded a demo. And Shushmit and I were in school together.
Xavier.
When I came back from the US, he got in touch with me and said कि यार मैंने ना एक बैंड बनाया, तू आके सुन. तो मैं February 1991 I think I went and heard the recording, and I said, wow, this is great, fantastic music. तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा था, आपने जो बोला ना पायनियर ऑफ दिस जॉनरा, हम पायनियर नहीं हैं, क्योंकि देयर इज ऑलवेज सम हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड यू. You know, there is, for example, Anand Shankar. If you remember that album, जो 70s में निकला था, where Jumping Jack Flash was played on the sitar, याद है? तो उसमें he had a song called Kaziranga, and he had mixed the very Indian and Western type of things. और दूसरा अगर आप फ्यूजन देखो तो पूरा बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक फ्यूजन ही तो है. आप सोचो ना, RD is using South American rhythms, or if you go back even further to Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu Baba Chin Chin Chu, right? That's a Charleston from the 20s.
Oh,
So
okay.
these things came into Bollywood, and Bollywood music composers were searching for music and using music from the world over. That's why Bollywood sounds so different.
And so is the James Bond theme, which was an Indian classical tune on the sitar, which was taken from here.
हाँ, उल्टा भी है. मैंने एक Moody Blues का गाना सुना है. There's an album called Days of the Future Past, in which Nights and White Satin is part of, that famous Moody Blues song.
Moody Blues.
And in there, they have a song which, when I heard, I said, this sounds Indian completely. And it sounds like a South Indian village song. मैं गाऊं?
Yeah.
When the sun goes down, night has begun for the sunset. Shadows on the ground never make a sound, fading away in the day. Night has just begun, same for everyone. I can see it, and you can imagine it being sung not in, I'm exaggerating the South Indian accent, obviously, but it's a very Indian tune.
Very South Indian, yes.
And so I have a feeling कि Moody Blues वाले ने किसी कहीं एक, and I have once actually heard a Kannada film song with the same tune. तो उसने भी ले लिया होगा. अब हमने गिदु इतना न मुझसे ना नांगी में हुएगा आशिक दीवाना मोजार्ट 40th को भाई साहब ने लेके बना दिया. तो वो सब fusion, borrowing, mixing, this, that.
That happened in a big way, of course.
Yeah.
Bollywood, it was, I think, picked up from God knows where and whatnot.
Yeah.
That we know. Yeah.
And yet at the same time, when you hear a Bollywood song, you know it's a Bollywood song.
Yes.
That's the beauty of it. कि कोई फिक्स genre नहीं है, कोई फिक्स ये नहीं है, मगर तब भी सुन के पता लग जाता है कि ये बॉलीवुड है. और गोरों को ना बड़े foreigners find it amazing. They say, man, you just brought in like 7 different musical influences into a 4-minute song. How did you do that? अब तुम कैसे समझाओगे?
यही तो हमारी खूबियत है.
So anyway, the Indian Ocean, basically, I think, so it was the idea of Shushmit to play scale, scale based. So not rag, क्योंकि इतना knowledge नहीं था हमारे पास राग के बारे में. क्योंकि राग तो स्केल का एक सबसेट होता है ना, जिसमें अलग रूल्स होती हैं कि ऊपर नीचे अवरो ये वो फलाना, ऊपर जाते वक्त ये नोट, नीचे जाते वक्त अलग नोट, और ये एक चलन में आता है कि जैसे यमन में नेजा आता है, यू नेवर हिट द सा डायरेक्टली कमिंग डाउन, यू ऑलवेज गो डाउन टू द नी एंड देन यू कम अप टू द सा, सो दैट मेक्स डिफरेंट राग साउंड डिफरेंट। ये इंडियन ओशन में ये खूबी नहीं थी कि हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं था, मगर आप एक स्केल और एक रिदम पैटर्न और एक सर्टेन इंडियननेस टू इट which is undefinable but nevertheless there. Plus of course rock element बीच में आ जाता है, कभी jazz आ जाता है, कभी swing आ जाता है, कभी rock आ जाता है, तो इससे एक साउंड बना जो मुझे लगता है काफी अच्छा है। मेरे को तो लगेगा ही मैं 30 साल से वही तो कर रहा हूँ।
No, definitely.
Everyone loves Indian Ocean.
Yeah.
That was your first album called as Indian Ocean, right?
यार our first album we wanted to call it Indian Ocean, ठीक है? HMV ने उसके ऊपर लिख दिया a journey with no frontiers, a voyage with no frontiers, which we used to joke with no front tires. तो वो पहला एल्बम था, क्योंकि हमको मालूम, हमको कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि नाम क्या देंगे, क्योंकि हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मामला यहाँ तक बढ़ जाएगा।
You really never thought.
Indian Ocean बाद में देखी जाएगी।
You never really thought it'll be, that was never this thing was, I mean, so
it was never, I think we didn't plan anything, we had no goals, we had no plans, we had no 10-year, जो जैसे ये कॉर्पोरेट्स को पूछते हैं ना, बेचार में बहुत बुरा लगता है मेरे को ये यार, MBA इंटरव्यू में जैसे पूछते हैं ना, where do you see yourself 10 years from now? I'm like, how the hell should I know?
you're talking about MBAs. My daughters are 13 and they're telling me, Dad, I don't know what I want to do. I'm like, beta, it's okay. Don't worry. I didn't know till my 20s what I want to do. And it's fine. I mean, just keep doing what you're doing. Because I mean, for a 13-year-old kid to kind of be like, do I do this? Do I do that? Whatever pressures were there 20 years back are probably 20 times now. Yeah. I mean, now kids are getting 100% and not getting, or 98% not getting admissions and all.
Yeah.
I like, be good at, I said, be a good human being, enjoy what you're doing and just chill. You don't have to worry about all this.
Yeah, और मैं बताऊं, मुझे इतना दुख होता है जब मैं सुनता हूं कि बच्चे ने सुसाइड कमिट कर दिया क्योंकि 10वीं में अच्छे नंबर नहीं आए। यार क्यों यार?
Kids ask me that, Papa, if we get less marks, will you scold us because our friend को डांट पड़ती है? I was like, no, beta, it's okay. I make it a point. I kind of go, be extra nice if ever. I said, just, you're studying, so you should get good marks. It's not that I want you to get bad marks. It's not that your studies are not important. It's important because you're doing that right now. It's important to understand. I feel that whatever you're doing in life, give it your best shot.
Yeah, और हमारा system ना, it teaches us to pass exams. It doesn't teach us to learn how to think.
Yeah, it doesn't teach us to.
घोड़े की रेस.
Doesn't teach us how to think.
And actually, education का वही तो point है.
Open your mind.
Yeah.
I think
लोग कहते हैं आपने PhD कर ली, मैंने कहा भैया PhD पता क्या है? PhD just tells you how to do research. That's all. The discipline required. That's it. It's an approach. डिग्री मिल जाती है वो छोड़ दो, वो अलग बात है, मगर वो सिखाता है PhD और कुछ नहीं सिखाता। जैसे अगर आप देख लोगे बहुत सारे नोबेल प्राइज विनर्स जो साइंसेस में हैं, they never did their PhD in the subject in which they got Nobel Prize, in that subfield, because वो आगे निकल गए, अलग अलग आइडियाज आ गए, उनके दिमाग कहीं चले गया, उन्होंने कुछ और फॉलो किया, उन्होंने कुछ और परस्यू किया। ऐसे ही तो होना चाहिए। अब ये है कि हमारी जिंदगी में एक्चुअली आई थिंक आजकल बच्चे हैं way more career options open to them than we used to.
Absolutely.
And I think we should just encourage them कि ठीक है बेटे, पढ़ ले, जितना करना कर ले, अच्छा हुआ, नहीं हुआ, कुछ ना कुछ जिंदगी में निकल आएगा।
बिल्कुल।
Yeah.
तेरे को जो दिल में पसंद है वो बाद में निकल आएगा। कैसे आप 17 साल के बच्चे को पूछ सकते हो कि आप जिंदगी भर क्या करोगे? अरे उसने देखी नहीं जिंदगी।
सही बात है, absolutely, absolutely. I completely agree with you, and I
And I think Rahul is such a great example of this, of life being random. I mean, from Narmada to getting into a band, and that too then
मुझे
no limitations or barriers, singing Russian, singing Aramaic, singing
from
Hindi,
IIT, starting from, I mean, you know,
from Kanpur, yeah, IIT Kanpur.
IIT is IIT, undoubtedly the premier institute in the country, which, you know, to get in itself is not an easy job.
या यहाँ पर अंदर जाके समझ जाते हो,
हाँ,
आईआईटीएंस भी उतने गधे होते हैं जितने दूसरे। यार है तो इंसान ना, कि द सेम स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ क्या कहूंगा, एटीट्यूड, अप्रोच, which is there in everybody else is also there in IIT. सिर्फ IIT को ना फूक देते जाना, जैसे IIM क्या है, मेरे को तो बेकार की डिग्री लगती है बिल्कुल। मैनेजमेंट डिग्री, अच्छा ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा, किराने की दुकान चला के दिखा दे मेरे को एक हफ्ते।
I completely agree. किराने की दुकान को चलाना आ गया, he's done a, I mean, masters in management, because the way he does not use a calculator, mind you guys. If you किराने वाला literally वो बस mentally cut करके he does this thing
immediately.
And the stock management, everything happens without any system. He is literally पर्ची पे काम होता है सारा।
नहीं, एंड ऑफ इस कोविड में किराने वालों ने हमको बचाया। Everybody relied on their local kirana store.
Yes.
I think society should give नागरिक सम्मान to the local किराने वाले, कि भाई और बहनों आपने बचाया हम। जबकि उल्टा है, लोग गाली देते हैं उन्हें, अरे उसमें पैसे बना। यार, he is dealing with people, he is getting supply,
Yeah,
he is making sure he is stocking everything you want, he is giving you credit. Come on, credit, give credit where credit is due.
absolutely.
These guys did a great job, and they know the price of 500 things in their shop,
मुंह
and
जबानी।
they know the stocks, and they know किसको
Yeah.
ज्यादा क्रेडिट नहीं देना चाहिए, किसको कम देना चाहिए, किसके साथ कैसे बिहेवियर करते हैं।
The entire system is here, as you
Yes.
said, the inventory management, the pricing, everything, it's all in his head.
यार ये जो पूरा OR में सिखाते हैं ना, ये ऑपरेशन रिसर्च में, ये लोग डेली करते हैं। बट IIM का ये फायदा है कि एक ठप्पा मिलता है, जिससे नौकरी अच्छे पैसे की मिल जाती है,
स्टार्ट अच्छी हो जाती है।
हाँ, स्टार्ट अच्छी हो जाती है, फिर आप जिंदगी में जो करना है आपको करो। इस पॉइंट पे मैं आपको एक गाना गाऊंगा।
Please.
कोरोना है सब दिशा, वो सैया जाएगा कहाँ, घर पे बैठ ले जरा, ये छैया तू पाएगा कहाँ। ठेके भी बंद हैं, ढाबे भी बंद हैं, मॉल की लिफ्ट है खाली, मॉल की लिफ्ट है खाली, झाड़ू उठा ले, हैं? झाड़ू उठा ले, डूडी पोछा लगा ले, राना टी, अच्छे से धो ले फिर थाली, अच्छे से धो ले फिर थाली, फिर हाथ रगड़ ले, ये साबुन पाएगा कहाँ, कोरोना है सब दिशा, वो छैया तू जाएगा कहाँ। मास्क लगा के अरे घर से निकलना, सबसे तू रख लेना दूरी, मंदिर भी बंद है, अरे काबे भी बंद हैं, घर पे ही खा हलवा पूरी, घर पे ही खा हलवा पूरी, फिर हाथ रगड़ ले, ये साबुन पाएगा कहाँ, कोरोना है सब दिशा। Though, to tell you the truth, I think we are over the hump.
Wow, Corona song, huh?
Corona song.
Corona song.
But this was back then, you know, we made this in April when
I understood when everything was shut, when the
Yeah.
lockdown was
Lockdown.
I want to hear that Russian. I want you to sing that.
Oh man, okay. So
And you have to give the brief. before.
Yes, how did that happen?
So the way I listen to YouTube is sometimes some song comes into my head and I say, oh, I haven't heard this song for a while. तो फिर मैं आजकल तो everybody watches music ना, तो मैं YouTube पे जाता हूँ और मैं वो गाना सर्च करके लगा देता हूँ और फिर मैं YouTube को छोड़ देता हूँ कि भाई तेरे को जहां ले जाना है तो ले जा। तो एक गाना है जो मेरे बचपन में था. Once upon a time there was a tavern where we used to raise a glass or two. Remember how we laughed away the hours and dreamed of all the great things we would do. Those were the days, my friend, we thought they'd never end. We'd sing and dance forever and the day. तो ये गाना मैंने सुना, ठीक है, और मैंने याद आया, of course, युववाणी पे चलता था. तो सडनली मैंने, so YouTube चल रहा है, I'm not paying it attention, मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, सॉलिटेयर खेल रहा हूँ या सुडोकू कर रहा हूँ या जो भी कर रहा हूँ.
It's a suggestion or playlist below it that you.
हाँ, मैं सजेशन भी नहीं, मैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली अगला गाना बजा देता है ना.
Autoplay, right?
हाँ.
Autoplay.
सडनली मैंने एक अलग भाषा में ये ट्यून अलग स्टाइल में गाए हुए सुना, तो मेरा अटेंशन चले गया. मैंने देखा कि the Red Army Choir, that is the official choir of the Russian Armed Forces, army, is singing this tune in Russian. तो फिर मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया और पता लगा कि ओरिजिनल गाना एक्चुअली रशियन है, written by a Jewish man in 1927-28 in Russia. And then while Stalin was busy suppressing the Jews, this song was suppressed in Russia. And one Russian emigre who went away and went to New York and made an English song with the same tune, which is what we know of as Those Were the Days, My Friend. तो फिर ऐसा हो रहा था कि इंडियन ओशन अगले महीने रशिया जा रहा था. सेरेंडिपिटी देखो. तो मैंने कहा यार ये गाना ना सीख लेता हूं. तो फिर मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया और जाके पता लगाया और फिर वो उसको अंग्रेजी स्क्रिप्ट में वो वर्ड्स मैंने रशियन देखे और मैंने सुने और मैंने हिंदी में लिखा, क्योंकि हिंदी में फोनेटिक्स आर मच बेटर than in English.
You translated English into Hindi first.
I translated the Russian written in English in Roman script into Russian written in Hindi script.
Okay.
हाँ, तो मैंने सिर्फ स्क्रिप्ट से किया ना. मेरे कान में जो लग रहा था, अच्छा ये कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी में समझ नहीं आ रहा how to pronounce it. अच्छा, listen girls, what is your problem here?
No, it's musical. It's a musical bark.
Nisha Laiko. बस यार बस. हे भगवान. तो मेरे ना 2 B&D डॉग्स भी हैं, बेड एंड डिनर, जो बाहर रहते थे, स्ट्रीट डॉग्स, एंड दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन ड्यूरिंग दिवाली, बिकॉज दिवाली में पागल हो जाते हैं ना.
Yes.
There was actually a point where 15 street dogs used to come into our house and have a quiet Diwali. And they used to have a temporary truce about their बाहर street पे जो झगड़ा होता है ना कि तू इस इलाके का नहीं है, तू इस इलाके का नहीं है. So they would have a truce and they would spend Diwali night at home and be away from the smell, because you can imagine that their sense of smell and hearing is better than ours.
Yeah.
दिवाली के पटाखे, हाय बेचारे कुत्ते ना, तो हमारे घर पे रहते थे और चले जाते थे. उनमें से ये 2 अब रह गए हैं जो आते हैं. And they converted Diwali into permanent. दिवाली में सर थोड़े दिन और रह जाते हैं, रात को आ जाते दरवाजे पे, हम अंदर कर देते थे, फिर सवेरे चले जाते थे. फिर उन्होंने कहा यार सर्दी पड़ गई, तेरे घर में थोड़ी गर्मी अच्छी है, अंदर रह जाते हैं. तो करते they become all weather. We call them visiting callers as opposed to visiting scholars. Anyway, now they've shut up. So I wrote this in Hindi. मैंने बैंड को सजेस्ट किया कि भाइयों ये करें. देखा क्यों नहीं करते यार, गुड आइडिया. और हमने फिर व्लादिवोस्टॉक के मेन स्क्वायर पे ये शो किया है 5,000 लोगों के सामने, और हमने कहा हम आपको एक, आप जानते हो कि आपका एक गाना अंग्रेजों ने चोरी किया है और हम आपको दोनों गाने सुनाएंगे। अरे पागल हो गए यार वो लोग, एंड दे स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग विद अस। ओरो गोय दलिनायु दलचलुलनायु स्टॉप दलेtit zvenia लेगोन स्ट्रिंग नायु सोइस्रबी सोनायु करके बहुत कुछ होता है। तो स्टॉप दलेtit zvenia, how are you going to say stop? आधा च आधा त, stop ओ की मात्रा व, stop दलेtit zvenia, z आधा z v zvenia, and there is one vowel sound which English has which हमारे पास नहीं है, that's the e sound in west. आप हिंदी में वेस्ट कैसे लिखोगे? एक तो W भी नहीं है, वो तो छोड़ ही दो, पर जो ए
वेस्ट
साउंड इधर हमारा ए होता है या ए होता है,
वेस्ट
the e, the west. So I actually, when I write in Hindi script, I add that e to indicate that vowel sound.
Okay.
ताकि ज्यादा phonetically it becomes easier for me to use it. तो अरे बजाया, फिर हमने रशिया में जाके ये मॉस्को में जाके गाया, तो इतने खुश हो गए ना लोग। उसके बाद मैं आपको एक फैसिनेटिंग कहानी बताता हूँ कि हम गए मॉस्को से बाकू, अजरबैजान, और अजरबैजान में सबसे बड़ा स्टार हिंदी फिल्म बहुत चलती है अजरबैजान,
शाहरुख खान,
मिथुन चक्रवर्ती।
Really?
Yes.
Mithun Chakravarti.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So there is a Hindi song which gets sung in every Azeri wedding.
I am a disco dancer.
नहीं, कुछ और है। मैं सडनली मैं आपको बताते मेरे दिमाग से उतर गया है, मगर हम वहां थे और हम बाकू में आउटडोर्स एक पब्लिक शो हो रहा था, तो बाकू में कुछ 10-20 इंडियंस है, वो आ गए थे और उन्होंने कहा सर ये वाला गाना यहाँ पे अजरबैजान में बहुत चलता है। तो हमने कहा भैया हमको तो ये गाना मालूम नहीं, कोई है ऑडियंस में? सो एक लड़की ने हाथ उठाया, मैं हूं। शी इज अ विजिटिंग टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया इन बाकू।
Okay.
So she came up to stage, gave us the key, and we played this Mithun song.
Wow. Incredible.
It's incredible.
Incredible.
Wow.
And in fact, yeah, as I like, I was in the Smithsonian Folklife Festival 2002. We were in DC, staying with a bunch of other bands. And रात को ना सारे बैंड जैम करते थे और म्यूजिक होता था और नाचते थे, और $1 का बडवाइजर बियर मिलता था, घटिया बियर, मगर क्या करोगे, गरीब थे। So there was a bunch of Syrians who suddenly came up to us and said, "Hey, we want the monkey song." Don't make a monkey song. You know what they meant? तेरे monkey गंगा और मेरे monkey जमुना का।
Raj Kapoor.
उनको तो monkey song है, monkey. You know?
Yeah, I think that music became very popular in the West.
Oh yes.
In the Eastern Bloc. So in Russia, Raj Kapoor was
really popular. Yeah.
Of course, after Mera Naam Joker, to in fact, it is, I think, because of his popularity that he incorporated that woman into Mera Naam Joker, na?
Okay, right.
The trapeze artist or the gymnast or whatever it is, जिससे उसको इश्क हो जाता है। तो अभी भी लोग रशिया में सुनते हैं।
बिल्कुल बहुत फेमस है। बचपन में तो कैसेट्स आती थी इजराइल से with Raj Kapoor song movie tunes in Hebrew.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So there are other two places that do this. Indonesia takes Indian filmy songs and makes them into local pop songs.
Okay.
And for example, I have had a friend of mine tell me that she had 4 Wolof-speaking Senegalese sing Kuch Hota Hai to her.
Okay.
Because the local cable channel is run by Gujarati.
अच्छा.
और
Okay.
वो हर संडे एक हिंदी फिल्म लगा देता.
Okay.
तो क्या है कि I don't know why India doesn't do it, but as cultural soft power, the moral ethic of the Hindi film is much more in resonance with the third world than the moral ethic of a Hollywood film. आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रहा हूं कि बहन, वेस्ट में बहन का कुछ खास वजन नहीं है. तो दिस फैमिली, सम्मान, मान, ये सब तो थोड़े रिग्रेसिव चीजें हैं, मैं मानता हूं, मगर तब भी ये जो पूरा moral ethical framework of the Hindi film overlaps with the moral ethical framework of a lot of the third world. And here is the Indian government trying to push classical music and dance down their throats. अरे उनको भरतनाट्यम नहीं चाहिए बाबू, उनको
They don't
शाहरुख खान.
understand. Right. Very true.
मतलब
It's-
भरतनाट्यम आप दिखाओ जरूर, मगर
guess-
ये नहीं करो ना यार साथ पे.
I guess it's probably because somewhere their issues are similar to ours. And
Yes.
because their
can
issues
relate.
are similar to us, they are able to relate to, like you said, whatever the things, family, man, samman,
हाँ, और गरीबी,
garibi, issues.
कास्ट, क्लास, ये सब उनके पास भी है यार.
When I've interacted with Eastern European, Czech Republic, I mean, guys our age can remember the time how oppressive it was in the 80s. Literally, they literally had to run from their lives. When I hear, so we also do KV2 Audio, another brand. Sorry, Moshe, I mean, just bring it up because it's from Czech, and these guys, the CEOs, the CEO himself, he tells us about how in the 80s, being communist before the wall came down, you literally did not know, there was no free thinking. That means if a child said anything, let's say something was discussed in the house anti-government, and the child spoke up about that, and the teacher heard it, the parents would be jailed. They would
Yeah,
straight
yeah.
come and pick them up and take them to jail. I mean, when I heard all this, for us, it is when I grew up, we were, whatever it was, we were running around free. चाहे मिट्टी थी, pollution था, जो भी था, अब तब तो नहीं था, चलो, but we grew up in the mindset of this. This guy says, he's George. He says, you did not know your neighbor could be, if he told on you, if anything was spoken anti-government, yeah, and people did that just because then they got favors, they got in good with the government, and this is as early as the 80s, and they literally ran from their lives. I mean, we've heard of, I've heard about Pakistan and all that. I've heard in the sense that when the partition happened, part of my family came from Pakistan. We've heard about it from them. That is 40s. Here you're talking about 80s, yeah. It's not that far back.
Yeah.
We had a huge amount of freedom in our lives. So East Europe, and today you go to East Europe here, I mean, it mirrors the West in any which way possible. You go to Prague, you go to Hungary, any of these countries. So, yeah, I mean, it's difficult to imagine also a time when you couldn't even think freely.
Yeah.
Forget anything else, you couldn't think freely,
Couldn't.
Yeah, I think we guys have been exceptionally lucky in India.
Oh yeah.
But
I was.
will also say that this is a function of our class and caste.
How so?
यार, तुम गांव में कुछ चीजें नहीं कर सकते.
Based on caste and class?
हाँ, जैसे आप पढ़ते हैं कि दलित को मारा क्योंकि वो घोड़े पे चढ़ के शादी पे जा रहा था. याद रखो कि मंदिर के सामने से नहीं जाओगी,
ठीक है,
तुम्हारा जात बुरा है,
लोअर है.
ये अब भी है. So ये we are relatively freer, but we have different dimensions on which we do things.
I mean, you're right. I mean, when we hear about these things, for us living in the cities and having grown up in the cities, it's near impossible to even imagine what life would be like.
पर तू तो मर्द है ना यार, औरतों से पूछ कौन से कपड़े अलाउड हैं, कब तक बाहर रह सकते हो, बाहर क्या बोल सकते हो, ये सब आज भी है।
आज भी है।
तो जबकि वहां पे औरतें तब भी छोटा स्कर्ट पहन सकती थी।
Yeah, they had, yeah, that there was a different
Dimensions of
dimension.
suppressions of freedom.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
true. So true.
True. Yeah,
I
that
mean,
was
look at America. 1960 में काला होने से वोट नहीं दे सकता। 60 इंडिया में साला आदिवासी 47 में वोट दे रहा है या 50 में वोट दे रहा है। ऑब्वियसली 47 में तो वोट नहीं था। तो और वो लोग हमें ह्यूमन राइट सिखाते हैं। 400 साल की स्लेवरी वो दे ब्रश अंडर द कार्पेट।
nothing. I mean, and what we are seeing today, it seems that nothing has kind of changed. If you watch any of the movies of the 60s, 70s, where all the oppression happened in the US with the blacks, I mean, in a way, it was under the carpet and it just come back up again. I mean, you know.
यार अब वही है that you cannot expect कि civil rights movement के बाद suddenly
Change
black
आ जाए.
people will become, because just as यहाँ पे दलितों के साथ हजारों साल का शोषण है या 100 साल का शोषण है, वो 20 साल के रिजर्वेशन में नहीं जाने वाला।
I just can't.
पब्लिक का माइंडसेट नहीं बदला है।
I just can't understand why human beings are not able to. Whenever I see any of these things, can't just understand. I fail to even comprehend that, you know, everybody is made in the same factory. Just because you look different, your color of your skin, how can it be? I just don't understand.
अरे हमारे कास्ट में तो कलर ऑफ स्किन भी नहीं है ना यार।
कलर, हाँ, वो भी नहीं है, वो सब
वो
एक
भी
है,
नहीं है।
वो भी नहीं है। और
तुम
हमारे
देखो ना फेयर एंड लवली क्या है ये साला फेयर एंड लवली? माइकल जैक्सन बेचारा
yeah,
tried
he
to
did.
look whiter and change his
He did
profile.
everything. He did every possible thing.
Yeah, I mean that is more a reflection of the society.
Society. Yeah.
मैं हार्लेम में आप जाओगे ना किसी कॉस्मेटिक स्टोर में, the number of fairness creams being sold there. At the same time, black power कह रहे हो, ये कह रहे हो, वो कह रहे हो, मगर वो भी चल रहा है साथ साथ। Human beings are complicated.
Yeah, absolutely. And society is even more complicated because it comprises of human beings. And,
Yes.
And it's, yes, absolutely. I agree with you.
I wanted to ask related to this something. Some of your, I mean, most of your songs in Hindi, you can say they are very dardi, like Raat Ke Musafir from Gulal or Bande. You can feel the pain in your voice when you're hearing the music, when you're hearing the song. How do you experience that and transform that into your song?
Well, so what I do is I look very carefully. Like रात के मुसाफिर तो लिखा है पीयूष मिश्रा ने.
Correct.
So you have to get into the lyrics. You have to really become one with the lyrics to understand what is trying to be said.
It's
and रात के मुसाफिर में तो
while singing, that's what I felt.
Yeah. So you have to. देखो गाने में ना, when you are singing, 4 things. First one obviously is sur.
Mm-hmm.
Sur should be okay. लय, मतलब ताल के अंदर रहना चाहिए. तीसरा उच्चारण. चौथा emotion. Only when all 4 of these come together does the song become a song. If I sang, अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, अरे थम जा रे बंदे, कि कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी हो, मतलब मीनिंगलेस हो गया ना गाना.
Correct.
और अगर मैं कहूं और रात के मुसाफिर तू भागना संभल के, पोटली में तेरी भागना संभल के, पूरा ही एक कॉमेडी सटायर टाइप कुछ हो गया. एंड वो भी आप व्यंग की तरह यूज कर सकते हो, और किया गया है फिल्मों में कि जहां बहुत सीरियस चीज हो रहा है स्क्रीन पे, एक लाइट सा चीज बज रहा है पीछे, वो आई थिंक टू शो द they use it to show the separation of reality versus what it will be portrayed as. Very often they do that, but otherwise you have to get into the meat of what the guy wants to say. You have to talk to the lyricist.
The emotion.
हाँ, इमोशनल कंटेंट के बिना गाना है, मतलब ऑब्वियसली आप गा ही सकते हो इमोशनल कंटेंट के बिना, मगर जैसे a lot of I always felt this and people have scolded me for it that Carnatic vocal music में more attention is paid to the technique than to the bhav. That in a few years back, somebody who did more emotion, people would say, it's too emotional. तो वो टेक्निक पे ज्यादा वो करते थे. अब हिंदुस्तानी में टेक्निक होता है मगर भाव पे भी काफी सारा होता है. And in fact, if you read and speak to T.M. Krishna, he has a very good take on a lot of these things. Because my father was very, very knowledgeable about classical music in general, and he grew up, his father was a composer of Carnatic music. Now, most of the compositions are religious compositions. They're all on around a religious theme. तो उनका ये ठुमरी टाइप लाइट प्यार इश्क वाले नहीं है खास, पर हैं, बट ज्यादातर थोड़े रिलीजियस उसमें हैं. तो उसमें टेक्निक पे कहीं ज्यादा एम्फेसिस होता था. तो जबकि आप फिल्मी गाने में तो बिल्कुल आपको टेक्निक क्या, आपको इस पे इमोशन पे ज्यादा वो करना चाहिए. और उच्चारण भी देखो, हम लोग वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक सुन के बड़े हुए हैं. And I don't know if you remember, but we used to glue our ears to the radio to find out ये बोल क्या रहा है.
Correct.
If you will notice that in Western music, the voice is much lower in the mix than in Indian music.
That's exactly what I'm doing nowadays. I'm listening to the 80s.
Okay. Okay.
And I just, and why you just said this, you know, at this time, I really didn't understand the lyrics, but I used to just enjoy the music.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a hilarious story. Amit Kilam, Indian Ocean का अपना जो Amit Kilam है ड्रमर, वो कॉलेज में ना they wanted to sing We Didn't Start the Fire. ठीक है. अब उसको जो कान में आया उसने कॉयर को सिखा दिया. Jing jing hakacha la kafkaji ka chom mang jin jagale jang ji sola ang jing ba. वही गा दिया इन लोगों ने. फिर एक रिच लड़का बैंकॉक गया समर वेकेशन में, वो बैंकॉक पे रास्ते पे बिकती थी ये लिरिक्स.
अच्छा, प्रिंटेड.
हाँ, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे भी बिकती थी.
यस, किताबें आती थी.
हाँ, हिंदी फिल्मी गानों के लिए 2 रुपए की किताब या जो भी है ना, और इंग्लिश गानों के भी आने लग गए थे. और वी डिडंट स्टार्ट द फायर के टाइम तक वो रुक गया था. तो ये लड़का वापस लाया और कहा कि ये तूने सबको गधा बनाया. मैं क्या करूँ यार, मेरे कान में जो आ रहा था वही मैंने बोला.
वो डेस्पासितो के साथ वही हुआ है ना. अभी मराठी में भी डेस्पासितो है, हिंदी में भी है, पंजाबी में भी है.
And in fact today I had made this कि मेरा the idle mind is a devil's workshop. So I said, taste the juice of my love, oh buttery, oh buttery. सोचो, मेरा प्यार का रस चखना, ओए मखना. It sounds so disgusting, na? Taste the juice of my love. Hi, hi.
And especially a mind like Rahul, which has encyclopedia, which has the amount of information and the amount of knowledge and everything which is accumulated. And how he brings about the same thing which we all know of, but he brings about it in an angle into it, which is completely. It's incredible how you've taken life, music, everything, and kind of put it together. That's really very unique. I have to say that.
I think the diversity of your experiences has helped in this way. This thing of you being able to express the emotion of the music in
Yes, I will though say that I do regret not having had a technical proper education in music. See, there are 100 regrets that you will always carry.
But Rahul, nor did Kishore Kumar have. He didn't know the music theory.
यार वो genius आदमी.
You're no less, yaar.
His elder brother Ashok Kumar had it, but he never had it.
But you know his films, the films he directed and acted in, he's a nut.
He's a genius. He was a genius.
And no barriers, kahin pe bhi. Suddenly VIP underwear बनियान गाने में आ गया. There was this Pakistani friend of mine who she asked me once कि यार ये क्या लाइन है? ये हिंदी में समझ नहीं रही. मैंने कहा यार VIP underwear बनियान, it was a brand name. He just came in, Kishore Kumar just threw it into the song randomly from nowhere. याद है कौन सा गाना है? There is a song in which this. Next time you hear it, it will come into your head.
Sure, it will.
So देखो ये मेरे ख्याल हम सब करते हैं, except that हमें कुछ constraints रोक देती है.
Correct.
और like I said कि जितना ये बढ़ता है और जितना सफेद होता है उतना ही constraints को आप फेंक सकते हैं.
True, absolutely. या ये बढ़ता है या ये गिरने लग जाता है. Either which way.
दोनों. मेरा ये कम गिरा है, जबकि गिरना चाहिए था. मेरे तीनों मामा गंजे थे, मेरा बाप भी गंजा था, मगर Y क्रोमोसोम ने वो किया, X क्रोमोसोम मेरी माँ ने दे दिया कुछ. तो
I mean, genuinely, I am looking forward, Moshe, when you are coming to Delhi to sit with Rahul and actually now and discussing the varied number of topics which we have touched upon in today and yesterday.
अरे 50 और मिल जाएंगे.
And it's been so incredible, you know, to talk to him. And that's why, I mean, though everybody is not, I mean, everyone will hear this after this, it will not be live, but we have continued it and we did not choose to not do it on today because we were so looking forward to it.
Absolutely. Thoroughly enjoyed, I must say. I mean, this is one interview that I can say that I've thoroughly enjoyed.
Thanks so much, guys. And I think बात करते करते पता नहीं हम 5:30 तो नहीं बजा दिए हमने.
6 बज रहे
हैं?
6 बज रहे.
हे भगवान.
But we started at 4:30, so it's all right.
Okay.
How does it matter, yaar? It's absolutely been a. How does it matter whether it's 6 or 6:30? We can absolutely, you know.
We have to get together in Delhi and
done job.
And on behalf of the entire Celto Acoustic family, I very, very sincerely thank you for your time and this positive energy that you've left all of us with. And all the viewers are also going to be so charged up. And especially your Corona song.
Thanks so much, guys. And actually, मुझे interesting thought you had put कि उस गाने में आप कोरोना घुसा दो. Pollution वाले.
Pollution song का pollution को Corona कर दो आप.
हाँ, हो सकता है.
You just have to change one word.
I know.
Lovely.
But the last song, Aisi Taisi Democracy is done, is a song on police brutality.
Okay.
And guess which Hindi film song we took?
Was it a Govinda song?
No. It's a song composed by Vishal Bhardwaj.
Okay.
Okay.
Quiz.
Okay. Is it from Omkara?
No.
Either.
जब मैं बताऊंगा तो तुम of course. गोली मार भेजे में.
Satya. Okay.
What was it?
इससे तो शुरू होना चाहिए.
मामा क्या? What?
Kallu Mama.
तो हमने इसमें मामू दरोगा मामू ये कर दिया.
So
and then I actually called up Vishal Bhardwaj and said, sir, हमने आपका ये गाना लेके ना हमने ये कर दिया. हंसने लग गए वो कि चलो बहुत खूब करते रहो. He's also another fantastic guy.
Yes, Vishal.
You should have him, man. You know, because imagine musician, filmmaker, lyrics writer, and overall very nice guy.
True.
He's a very nice man. आप बात करो उनसे मजा आ जाएगा.
Certainly.
Done for season 2 because now this is actually we are ending this season. Why don't you, Moshe, mention
Yes,
that?
we'll be ending this season of Celto Live with the next episode, and after that we'll be taking a short break, maybe of a month, and then coming back with season 2, and hopefully we'll line up.
You are a finale, actually.
Yes.
Great.
But on that note, for the audience's benefit, after Gulabo Sitabo, which other movie can we expect your songs in?
अरे मैं बताता हूँ. पता है मैंने एक गाना 5 साल पहले गाया था और उस बंदे ने मेरे को अभी भेजा है कि सर ये वाला गाना याद है आप, जग मेला इट इज कॉल्ड, वो किसी फिल्म में रिलीज हो रहा है। यार अब मेरे को ना नाम याद नहीं रहता फिल्म का, मैं सच बताऊं, क्योंकि मेरे को गाने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होती है।
करेक्ट।
Absolutely.
और उस टाइम पे तो उसने मेरे को नाम भी नहीं बताया था, बिकॉज इट वाज प्रोडक्शन नंबर X। तो उसने फिर मेरे को बताया है, वो नेटफ्लिक्स पे अभी रिलीज होने वाला है, मगर मुझे याद नहीं।
I'll
जग
find that
मेला,
out.
ओके, जग मेला इज द
Jug
नेम
Mela.
ऑफ द सॉन्ग। हाँ,
Sure.
तो वो पर पुराना है। अब हम इंडियन ओशन इज गोइंग टू वी हैव लाइक 5 or 6 songs that we've been recording and working on, which we had already. And nowadays, like I told you, because we watch music rather than listen to it, we realize there needs to be a video component.
Music video.
Which COVID paid पुश कर दिया उसको। तो उस पे हम वापस काम करेंगे और हम ऐसे इन गानों को रिलीज करेंगे as singles.
As singles.
Because the album concept is now unfortunately dead.
Yeah. The albums is, nobody listens to an album. We were discussing that recently with I think Mr. Chopra or with Pramod, I forgot. But yes,
With Uday from
Uday, sorry, with Uday, we had, it's about a playlist now. It's not nobody listens to an album. We listen to playlists now.
Playlist.
Yeah, but musician को album में फिर भी मजा आता है. It's like a thing. It's a physical representation of a certain period of your life.
True.
Where you put some of your creations up.
Absolutely.
And I think as a touring musician, we need to put these songs at some point into an album, because when we go to play concerts, people like to buy.
Yes.
Even now, the CD at that point.
At the concert itself, huh?
Yeah. Show के बाद ना sales and signing session होता है.
But are people still buying CDs?
America, they are. Even if they don't play it, man, they will just keep it as a memento.
Momentum, okay. Yeah.
आप सोच रहे हो ना $10 का सीडी खरीद रहा है एक आदमी. $10 कुछ भी नहीं है. एक बियर आता है $10 का न्यूयॉर्क में.
Now it's a cost of a drink. I was going to say that. Yeah. Precisely.
और हमारे लिए $10 काफी होता है, क्योंकि सीडी, मैं अब सारे लिसनर सुन लो, सीडी बनता है ₹11 में. बल्क में बनाओ तो ₹8 में बनता है, शायद उससे भी चीप हो गया.
Yeah, well, technically, that's the cost of a blank CD. A blank CD costs that much, so it's not that much more in terms of the sheer manufacturing cost.
Yeah.
We have paid a lot of money.
I know.
And then came these.
हाँ. और अब तो ये है. वो.
USB.
हाँ.
No, now it's streaming. Now it's all
on the net.
It's Spotify.
Yeah, but if you're on a drive, you put that USB into your stereo system, and
or it can be just there on. You can save it on your any device. I mean, phone, precisely.
Yes, you can download it.
Yeah.
True.
Anyway, sorry. I keep doing this. We had already said goodbye. अब हम फिर निकल गए हैं.
We don't want to go now, but we will catch up soon.
Now the offline will happen. Thank you, Rahul.
Okay, guys. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Pleasure and honor. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. नहीं हुआ.